guys! Welcome back to my channel, Nurse Sonia. So for today, ito na po ang part 2 ng ating spouse/dependent visa under health and care visa. So thank you for watching my video and have a nice day. Bye-bye!
So traveling as part of an organized group, we should say no and then save and continue. And then traveling with another person. So will you be traveling to the UK with someone who is not your partner, spouse, or dependent? So if you will be traveling alone, just click no and save and continue. Where you will stay in the UK. So do you know where you will be staying in the UK? If you know, just press or click yes, and then put a postcode like will you be staying anywhere else in the UK? Kung mag-hotel or accommodation provided by the educational institution or any other type of accommodation. If no, just click no and then save and continue. UK travel history. Have you been to the UK in the past 10 years? If not, just click no, save and continue. Okay, then have you been issued with a UK visa in the past 10 years? So if no, just click no. Travel to Australia, Canada, New Zealand, USA, Switzerland, or the EEA. So if there's none, just click 0, then save and continue. World travel history. Have you been to any other countries in the past 10 years? If not, just click no. And then immigration history. So if you have experienced being refused a visa or refused entry at the border, refused asylum, refused permission to stay or remain, or removed, deported, required to leave, excluded. So if not, just click no. And then have you ever entered yung mga illegal actions? If not naman, just click no. Overseas criminal record checks. So we should have some criminal checks, or in the Philippines we call it NBI. In the past 10 years, if you stayed in the Philippines for more than 12 months, you should provide a NBI clearance. And also, if you are in a foreign country like Saudi Arabia or any country, and you stayed there for more than 12 months, you have to provide a police clearance. If your employment in a profession that requires an overseas criminal record check, yes lang yan. Countries you have been present in the 12 months or more. So, country you've been, kunwari if you stayed in Saudi Arabia, I'll just type it here. And then save and continue. Then have you been present in any other country for 12 months or more in the last 10 years? So if none, just click no. And conviction, other penalties at any time. If you ever had any of the following. So these are mga unlawful acts like criminal conviction, yung mga reprimand, penalty. No, I have never had any of these. Kung wala naman, so save and continue. War crime, so of course tayo ay mga law-abiding citizens, so just click no. I have read all the information. Chenes. Terrorist activities organization. So have you ever been involved in, supported, or encouraged terrorist activities in any country? Then, if not, just click no. Ayan, no lang tayo. No. Puro no lang guys if you are a law-abiding citizen. Extremist organization and views. If you ever been a member or given support to an organization, have you been any means or medium expressed any extremist views? Ayan. So, I have read all the information. Save and continue. Person of good character. Have you, as part of your employment, undertaken unpaid activity on behalf of non-UK government? Have you ever engaged in any other activities? Is there any other information about your character or behavior? So, no lang. Are you related to your partner? Were you related to dun sa partner mo before you became partners? Of course not. If you can confirm what type of relations, pwedeng adopted ba siya or parent, sibling, aunt. So they are just confirming that John Cruz is your husband and you are not related before you became married. So kasi yung iba parang sinasabi nila fixed marriage, iba magkamag-anak, mini-marry lang kasi para makapunta sa ibang bansa. So that's the reason why they are asking that. So we have to click no in that and save and continue. Your employment history. So if you didn't work in any of this, I have not worked in any other of jobs na under government. Ayan. If you needed to add more information, if not, save and continue lang tayo guys. So you have to double check all of your informations in here. As I've said before, these are just mga hindi siya mga official numbers, hindi siya official informations. This is for learning purposes lang. So if yan lahat okay, continue. And then yan, you have to do this, mandatory documents. Doon na tayo sa documents. These documents are mandatory and you must provide them as part of your application. Tick the box to agree that you will provide each other. Ayan, other documents. Etong mga documents na to are evidence that you have permission to be in the country you are applying for. So it should be for example, green card, residence permit, or official letter from an immigration, or a visa sticker in your passport. So, yun. And criminal record, certificate for Saudi Arabia, and proof of John's marriage. So, if you have, click mo lang yan, guys. Of course, yung passport or travel document mo. And then if you do not provide these documents, your application may be delayed. So you have to provide all of these. And after you submit your application, you must provide your documents, your official. Yan. And also if needed yung mga TB tests or TB-IOM, we should provide that. In Saudi Arabia, we don't need that. But in the Philippines, we do need. I'm not too sure with India or other countries. So, if stay in the UK without permission, you can be detained, ganyan. So, make sure that all of the informations are correct and if you need some documents, dapat ay mga legal documents, mga official documents siya. And walang fake documents na kailangan dito. Declaration. So, I can confirm that I am the applicant, aged 18 or over. Ayan. And check your answers. Ayan. Declaration. I can confirm that. Okay. Demonstrating your permission to be in the UK. So, what is a BRP? What if I do not need a PRP? Ayan. Collect from a UK post office. So, yun. And then you have to pay na this. In total, most people get a decision within 15 working days after attending. So, save and continue kung standard ang kukunin nyo. And then you have to pay. Depends if you need MasterCard. Ayan. So you are paying $329. Before, it is $322. Maybe medyo nagmahal na sila ngayon, so it's $329 now. So if you are using Visa or MasterCard, and then continue to WorldPay, and then you have to put your details na here. So ganun lang siya kasimple. Again, these numbers, these informations are not official, hindi sa akin, hindi sa ibang tao. This is just for learning purposes. So gawa-gawa lang ko lang itong mga informations just to give you a brief detail and how to apply UK visa. So once you pay for this amount, which is $329, so now they will send you a link, and it will direct you to the VFS, and then with that you'll just need to give the GWF number. The GWF number will be given to you once you paid this $329, and then once you entered the GWF number in the VFS and you enter your datas that they are requiring, you will now need to upload the documents that they will be needing to review for your visa. One of that is your passport, and then passport of your partner or your husband or wife, and then the marriage contract, and then COS of your partner, and then your police clearance, your NBI clearance, and also TBIM if needed. And also, if you have a residential ID to the country that you are applying from, you have to upload also that, and birth certificate of both of you. And if you have some documents that you want to upload, you can also upload that. Again, you can opt to upload by yourself, or pwede nyo rin na you can and you can get some what do you call this, services from VFS. So kayo po bahala, but for me, I just did it by my own and just waiting for the result. So thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.